In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix site name. Whether you're rebranding your website or just feel like it's time for a change, adjusting your site's name is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be confident in making the change on your own. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. This is where everything begins, so open up your web browser and head over to the Wix website. Enter your account credentials, and with a click of the Login button, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. If you have multiple sites, don't worry. We're getting to how you can choose the one you want to work on next. Once you've logged in, find the section labeled My Store in the Wix dashboard. This is your hub for handling anything related to the sites you have created. Click on that option, and you will see a drop-down menu. From here, you want to select Go to All Sites. This shows an overview of all the sites associated with your account. Now, look through your list of sites and find the one you want to rename. Next to the site's title, you'll see a small icon that looks like three dots, commonly referred to as an ellipsis. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of additional options, and from this menu, select Rename Site. It might take just a moment to load the renaming interface, so don't worry. That's perfectly normal. Here, a lightbox or small window will appear, allowing you to type in the new name for your site. This is your opportunity to type in the fresh new name you've been thinking about. Choose something that truly represents the identity or vision you have for your website. Remember, this name will be visible to your audience and can impact your site's branding, so take a moment to ensure it's exactly how you want it. After you've entered the new name, there's one last but very crucial step. Make sure you click the Save button. This action finalizes and commits the changes you've just made. It's easy to overlook, but saving your changes is essential otherwise. Your effort might go to waste. And there you have it, the quick and easy process to change your Wix site name. With only a few clicks, your site receives a fresh identity that better suits your vision. Don't hesitate. Take advantage of this straightforward process whenever the need arises. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.